In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quotes in Notion. Quote blocks are a simple, effective way to call attention to important ideas, memorable lines, or key takeaways inside your Notion pages. They add a clean vertical bar and slightly indented formatting, which helps readers scan and understand what matters most without overwhelming the page. Let's walk through exactly how to add one, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open the page where you want to add a quote block. This could be a meeting note, a project plan, a personal knowledge base, or even a reading summary. Wherever you need emphasis, quotes can bring clarity and structure. Next, click inside the content area of the page. You'll see the blinking cursor appear, which tells you Notion is ready for your next move. If you're working between existing blocks, choose the spot where a quote will naturally support your content, such as beneath a heading or after a key paragraph. Now type /quote directly into the page. The / command is Notion's quick way to insert different kinds of content. As you type, Notion will show a drop-down of possible blocks that match your input. This keeps your hands on the keyboard and speeds up your workflow. From that drop-down, select the quote block. Once you do, Notion instantly creates a quote area with the familiar vertical line on the left. This subtle visual cue makes the quoted content stand out without stealing attention from the rest of your writing. With the quote block in place, enter the text or statement you want to highlight. Keep it concise and meaningful so readers immediately grasp the point. If you're quoting a source, you can include attribution right inside the block, something like a dash followed by the author's name, so the context stays connected. You can also format text within the quote, using italics for emphasis or bold for standout phrases, while preserving the clean look of the block. Finally, feel free to use quote blocks throughout the page to emphasize important information or ideas. Sprinkle them in where they add clarity, a standout insight from a meeting, a guiding principle in a project doc, or a key definition in study notes. Aim for balance. Enough quotes to guide attention, but not so many that the page loses hierarchy. Consistency matters too. Use similar tone and length for quotes across a page to keep it readable and professional. That's it. With these simple steps, you can highlight what truly matters and make your Notion pages easier to scan, understand, and remember.